Hey everybody, it is Friday, February 11th. So our do now for today is this one right here. And let's look at where we can locate our do now. Our do now, we're going to check in one of our classes. Here's section 1. So our do nows are always housed here in the materials. So today's do now is right here. You would click on that and it will look just like this. So which side of this mountain has a steeper slope? The east side or the west side? Well, how do I determine that? Well, right here in the frame is a compass rose. So north, east, south, west. Okay, some of you go east and west. Well, how do we know this? Oh, yeah, that's right. You did say that. The closer the lines are together, the steeper the slope. So this slope is going to be actually much steeper or harder to climb than this one. If a person walks from point A to point B, are they going uphill or downhill? So if we're walking from here, oh, exactly. Because look, you notice that the numbers are increasing. And it says, what is the contour map line interval? Well, we learned yesterday that what we do is we take the big number, those are indexed, the big dark numbers, the big dark lines. So that's 5,000. We're going to stop to 4,800. And that's going to equal 200. Okay. Now I'm going to take that 200 and I'm going to divide by, well, let's see. We got to count our lines. So we start here and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines to hit 5,000. So 2,000 divided by 5. And somebody came up, yep, 40. And in this case, feet, because the word feet is actually used here on the map. So that's for you. So today we're going to make and interpret topographic maps. You can construct a mountain or other terrain out of Play-doh. I can make an accurate topo map out of my Play-doh creation. Well, right here is expectations we had for Play-doh Mountain. And then here is the steps to build Play-doh Mountain. However, if you are not with us and you don't have access to Play-doh, I have an even better solution. So let's come over here to the assignments, and I'm putting it in here because I want you all to get used to this and see this. And right here at 211 is a link to a great YouTube video that says building a Play-doh mountain to build a topographic map. And this teacher does exactly what we did in class today, shows you how to do it step by step so that you have a better understanding of topographic maps, contour lines, contour indexes, and how to take a 3D object and actually make a 2D, two-dimensional map. So that being said, that was today. And then there were some questions, but you weren't with us today. So we just want you to take a look at that video and see what's there. And our exit ticket was, if the contour interval is 10, meaning the space between the lines, what is the elevation at point C right there? Okay. Well, let's put a text box. The next contour index that I have that's there is, you're correct, is 150. And if the interval is 10, so we say plus 10. What do we get? Well, 150 plus 10 is 160. That's amazing. All right, and it's meters because we used meters, so don't forget that. So everybody have a great weekend. We will see you all on Monday, and have a great day.